For more than 3 decades, the Hubble Space Telescope has stood as one of the most important scientific instruments ever placed into orbit. Since its launch in 1990 aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery, it has transformed humanity's understanding of the universe in ways few could have imagined. Positioned far above Earth's atmosphere, Hubble escaped the distortions caused by air, weather, and light pollution, allowing it to capture images of space with extraordinary clarity. At first, its mission seemed straightforward. It would observe distant galaxies, glowing nebulae, and the faint remnants of the early universe. Scientists hoped it would measure the expansion of space, study the birth and death of stars, and reveal structures billions of light-years away. But over time, Hubble became something more. Unexpectedly, it evolved into one of humanity's most powerful tools for studying our own solar system. From its stable orbit, hundreds of kilometers above Earth, the telescope began turning its gaze toward nearby worlds. With precision optics and the ability to revisit the same targets year after year, Hubble revealed something surprising. The solar system is not static. It is alive with motion. Storms rage, atmospheres shift, impacts occur, and surfaces evolve over time. What once seemed like distant, unchanging objects are now understood as dynamic systems, constantly transforming. Many of these worlds remain only partially explored. Dedicated spacecraft missions are rare, expensive, and often brief. A probe may visit a planet once, gather data for a limited time, and then move on or fall silent. In the long gaps between these missions, Hubble has quietly taken on a different role. It has become a patient observer. Unlike spacecraft that pass by in moments, Hubble can return again and again, building a long-term record of change. This continuity allows scientists to watch entire planetary processes unfold across years and even decades. Of course, the telescope has its limitations. It was designed primarily for distant observations, not nearby ones. Its field of view is relatively narrow, meaning very large objects close to Earth cannot always fit within a single frame. Our own Moon, for example, appears too large for Hubble to capture all at once. Detailed mapping of the lunar surface is instead carried out by specialized missions like the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, which can produce extremely high-resolution images. And yet, even here, Hubble has contributed in unexpected ways. In 2012, during the rare transit of Venus across the Sun, scientists faced a challenge. Observing the Sun directly with Hubble could damage its sensitive instruments. So they devised an ingenious solution. They used the Moon as a mirror. As Venus passed in front of the Sun, sunlight filtered through its thick atmosphere. That altered light then reflected off the Moon's surface and traveled back to Hubble. By analyzing subtle changes in the light spectrum, scientists identified the chemical composition of Venus's atmosphere. The results confirmed a dense mixture dominated by carbon dioxide, along with trace gases. More importantly, this experiment demonstrated a powerful method. The same technique is now used to study the atmospheres of planets orbiting distant stars. In a sense, a moment within our own solar system became a blueprint for exploring worlds across the galaxy. While the Moon presents challenges, Mars is nearly ideal for Hubble. Because it observes from a distance, the telescope can capture full-disk images of the planet, global views that orbiting spacecraft often cannot achieve. Over time, these observations have revealed Mars as a world of dramatic seasonal change. Hubble has tracked the growth and retreat of polar ice caps, the shifting of clouds, and the formation of enormous dust storms. One of the most striking events occurred in 2001, when a massive storm expanded until it covered the entire planet. For months, the Martian surface was hidden beneath a swirling veil of dust. Observations like this reveal a planet that is far from dormant. They also provide critical data for robotic missions, and for the possibility of future human exploration. Hubble has also turned its attention to Mars's moon, Phobos. Orbiting extremely close to the planet, Phobos completes a full orbit in just over 7 hours. But its fate is uncertain. Tidal forces are slowly pulling it inward, and scientists believe that in tens of millions of years, it may either crash into Mars or break apart, forming a temporary rain. Watching this gradual decay offers insights into how moons evolve, and how planetary systems change over time. Beyond Mars lies the asteroid belt, a vast region filled with remnants from the early solar system. These objects never formed into a planet, leaving behind a scattered record of ancient history. Hubble has revealed that many of these asteroids behave in unexpected ways. Some develop tails like comets, even though they contain little ice. In certain cases, this activity appears to result from sunlight altering an asteroid's rotation. As the spin increases, loose material is thrown into space, forming streams of dust. These discoveries have changed how scientists view asteroids. Many are not solid rock, but fragile, rubble piles, collections of debris held together by weak gravity. In one remarkable observation, Hubble captured the aftermath of a high-speed collision between two asteroids. The impact created an unusual X-shaped cloud of debris, revealing the violent and chaotic nature of this region. Farther out, Jupiter dominates the solar system. With its immense gravity, it acts as a kind of cosmic shield, capturing or deflecting objects that might otherwise threaten the inner planets. This role became dramatically clear in 1994, when the comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 collided with Jupiter. Torn apart by the planet's gravity, the fragments slammed into its atmosphere, leaving dark scars larger than Earth. Hubble observed the event in extraordinary detail, providing a rare look at a planetary impact as it unfolded. The telescope has also studied Jupiter's auroras, massive, glowing displays of light near its poles. Far more powerful than those on Earth, these auroras are driven by the planet's intense magnetic field and constant interaction with charged particles. Among Jupiter's many moons, one stands out: Europa. Beneath its frozen surface lies a vast ocean of liquid water. Hubble has detected signs of water vapor rising from its surface in towering plumes, suggesting that material from this hidden ocean may occasionally escape into space. Chemical traces found within these plumes include sodium chloride, ordinary salt, hinting that Europa's ocean may resemble Earth's seas in composition. This discovery has profound implications. It suggests that one of the most promising environments for life in our solar system may exist not on a planet, but beneath the ice of a distant moon. Meanwhile, Hubble continues to observe Saturn. Since the end of the Cassini mission in 2017, it has played a crucial role in monitoring the planet's atmosphere, tracking massive storms, and watching seasonal changes in its rains. Even farther away, the telescope studies Uranus and Neptune, distant ice giants visited only once by spacecraft. By comparing images taken years apart, scientists can observe shifting weather patterns and evolving atmospheric dynamics on these remote worlds. Over more than 30 years of operation, Hubble has exceeded nearly every expectation placed upon it. It has reshaped astrophysics, redefined cosmology, and transformed planetary science. Even now, as newer telescopes begin to explore the universe, Hubble remains active, continuing to deliver discoveries and provide context for the data that follows. With careful management, it may continue operating well into the 2040s, working alongside the next generation of observatories. The universe is vast, complex, and constantly changing. Through its steady and patient gaze, Hubble has shown us that even the worlds we thought we understood still hold secrets. Every observation carries the possibility of surprise. Every image reveals something new. And after decades of watching the sky, one lesson has become clear. The cosmos is never truly silent. It is simply waiting for us to look closely enough to finally understand what it has been saying all along.